Namaste, मैं अनुजा जैन स्टूडियो सुई धागा इंदौर से. So it's Friday 2 p.m. and I'm back with something new and different for you. So before starting video, I just want to tell you, अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल. प्लीज हिट द बेल आइकॉन also so that you will get the notification also. As well as you can follow us on Instagram page. It's studio_sui_dhaga by Anuja Jain. You can follow us on Facebook also and you can connect with us on WhatsApp as well as. So let me start today's video, and today's we are here with something special, something different for you. It's again something regular and smart wear, and these are Ajrak designer kurti fabrics, and these kurti fabrics are totally different. We have done little bit of handwork on it in a very different pattern, in a very different styles. They are very comfortable as they are in pure cottons. Yes, they are in pure cottons, so they are perfect for your daily office wear as well. So first I'll show you the one piece which I am wearing, and yes, they are in two different shades. One is red brick color and one is on black. So we have three different prints on both the color. So I'll show you all the pieces, all the prints. First I'll show you the piece which I am wearing. It's a lovely madder red color that I am wearing, and this print is also very different. It is for the first time we have tried this one. So you can see it has a very beautiful buta. It's a leaf buta. ओके, एंड यू कैन सी, आप देख सकते हैं ये पूरे पैनल पे हमने बॉर्डर सेट किया हुआ है. उसके बाद दिस इज ऑल योर फैब्रिक वर्क विथ कांटा स्टिच. ओके, दिस इज ऑल हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडेड, ये हाथ से किया हुआ है, एंड दीज मिरर आर ऑल्सो हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडेड. एंड द सेम थिंग वी हैव गिवन ऑन द neckline also. A beautiful border setting is there with the mirror work. Okay, so you can get stitch your kurtas also in the same way, and of course how could I miss to add the pockets. I just love the pockets. So yes, and I team up this kurti with a beautiful Ajrak print pant also, because nowadays it's very much into match a print with a print, but of course there is some kind of prints that you can match, like it's a big buta, so I have team it up with a small booties pattern. Okay, so this is the pant I have teamed it up with. So let me start to show you all the prints. These all are on pure cottons, Ajrak prints. 2.5 meter is the fabric, and we have three different prints on both the colors. So I'll show you each and every piece, and you can make the length of kurtis till 46 48 size kurti easily can be made out of these fabrics. Okay, so I'll start with the pieces. So this is the first piece, the same I am wearing. This is something I really liked it, so that is why I just get it stitched. And of course इसके panels आप देख सकते हैं, सब पे अलग अलग प्रकार का वर्क किया हुआ है. So this is the first print. You can make kaftans also out of these. So आप देख सकते हैं इसका width and everything. So this is the first print on the madder red. The same I am wearing. Okay, the second piece is this, a very small booty, because people have different tastes, different choices. So this is another different print. It's a small booty with this border, and the mirror work is there, and this is the bottom. Okay, and this is the third print we have. It's a Kari print, or the Amiya, few people call it Amiya also. So this is a very traditional print, we must say. So these are the three different prints we have in madder red. ओके, और जिन्होंने फर्स्ट टाइम हमारा वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो उनके लिए मैं बताना चाहूँगी, आपको इन सारे प्रोडक्ट्स की एट द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो आपको पिक्चर्स भी मिल जाएंगे. सो राइट नाउ यू जस्ट फोकस ऑन वॉचिंग द प्रोडक्ट, ठीक है. और ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज स्लाइटली डिफरेंस इन द कलर्स बिकॉज वी आर यूजिंग नेचुरल कलर्स लाइटनिंग. ओके, सो उसकी वजह से थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस आता है, दैट्स वाई मैं बोलती जाती हूँ कौन सा कलर है. सो नाउ आई शो यू The next color, it's a black color. Black color maybe we have 3 different prints. So this is the first print we have in black. The same Amia print you can see. So this print we have in red also and in the black also. So these two same prints are available in the black and red. So while selecting you can choose. The same print I am wearing in the madder red. The same we have in the black also. It's a beautiful one. So you can choose, and again the third print we have in this black also, the small booties. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Like I've just want to repeat it again. Now you can watch all the pictures of all these products. These 2 different colors, 3 different prints in the same colors, both are available. We have multiple pieces also, so don't worry so much, because so many people have शिकायत or the feedback to us, अनुजा pieces सारे खत्म हो जाते हैं and we missed it, office होता है or we have to go somewhere. So this time we have stock for you all people, but still at a time they will get all sold. So please try to book as soon as possible. And it's again a request to all of you, जब भी आप पेमेंट करते हो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर कि आपने जब पेमेंट कर रहे हो तो जस्ट चेक विद द अवेलेबिलिटी, बिकॉज अगर उसमें टाइम डिफरेंस हो जाता है आपके कंफर्मेशन में इन पेमेंट में, तो सॉरी आई कैन नॉट होल्ड दी प्रोडक्ट बैक, बिकॉज बैक टू बैक बुकिंग्स आर गोइंग ऑन एंड वी हैव टू फॉलो द सिस्टम. So hope you all understand this thing. And once again I just want to tell you, अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है चैनल तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल एंड बेल आइकॉन पे हिट कीजिए, सो दैट आपको नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहें टाइम टू टाइम. And of course you can follow us on Instagram also, studio_sui_dhaga by Anuja Jain, and you can connect with us WhatsApp on 9039717636, and of course the website is also up, that is www.studiosuidhaga.com by Anuja Jain. You can follow or you can visit that page also. And of course now I know you all must want to know what's the pricing for this, and yes, these are very friendly pocket prices for these kurtas. These are just for 1499 only. Yes, it's for 1499 only, and this is the offer of the day. And just want to tell you, these offer are only for Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Monday morning we cannot follow with these offers. These offer only for the launch offers, so please understand this thing also. So now you can see the pictures and the codes of these product and do your all bookings with me. Okay, see you next week with the same time. It's Friday 2 PM by Anuja Jain. See you then. Have a nice weekend. Take care. Bye.